beautiful, beautiful piece. It seems all the music I've played this program are my favourites. It's beautiful, and that was just beautiful. And the band, right, every hair, although not many, on my head stood on end because of that. That was fantastic. Okay, I got here this afternoon and I found myself in a little bit of a dilemma. I've got a very important document I had to get out in the mail yesterday. And of course I forgot all about it. I was out doing fitness and then I was out shopping and doing all sorts of other things and watching TV, and I forgot to do this letter. So I hope you don't mind, I can take the next 2.5 minutes to compose this letter and get it in the mail tonight, so it goes out first thing tomorrow morning at dawn with the postman. So I hope you don't mind, but I'd like to invite my personal assistant on the stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, please would you welcome to the stage my PA, and she's been with me for many years, bless her soul. She's just a wonderful lady. Please welcome Miss Paige Turner.
He's not my type.
Oh dear. Right. Do you have any, just in case, because I know in the past you've had problems with your spelling mistakes, and do you have any corrections?
Yes.
It seems we're in for one time. Anyway, here's the paper I want you to dictate. Now, hurry along, and no mistakes, please, Miss Turner. I forgive. Oh, no, I don't know what's going to happen in the next five minutes. I already don't. But please, just bear with us.
Now I have a key.
Which one? C, D, L, S.
A, S, D, F, J, K, L, C.
That'll do.